Alright, let's look at the homework 1.1, problem number 6. Right, so we want to find the formula of surface area of an open box. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so you have an open box with a square base, and the volume is fixed at 3 cubic meters. So volume is fixed here. Alright, then we want to express the surface area of the box as a function of lengths of a side of the base x. Right, so this is x right here. Right, so I'm gonna call the height of the box h. Right, so we know that the box has a volume, so v has to be equal to, alright, so base time, so x times height will give you the volume, so it's going to be x squared times h, and this is supposed to be 3. Right, then we can use that to express h in terms of x. So we can just divide through by x squared. So h is same thing as 3 over x squared. Alright, then the surface area that we're looking for, so let's see, surface area is going to be a combination of these 4 things. Here, the base, the area of the base is easy to find. It's going to be x times x since it's a square. So you have x squared there. And each wall has the area of x times h. So you have x times h. But there are 4 identical walls. So you have x h here, x h there, x h there. So the surface area is going to be simply, so this is the base, x squared, and there are 4 of these xh. Right, but we want to express this expression in terms of just x, so we have to get rid of h. But we know how to write h in terms of x, so we can just plug this guy right in here. Alright, so that way we'll have x squared plus 4x times, so h is same thing as 3 over x squared. Right, then we can cancel x on top and one of the x on the bottom. So what you end up getting is x squared plus 4 times 3 is 12 over x. Alright, so that's our surface area. So it's x squared plus 12 over x squared. Oh, sorry, it's going to be just x. Right. Alright, so what would be the domain of this surface area function? Right, so x cannot be negative because x is a length, and also x cannot be 0 because if x is 0 we can never get the volume 3. So x has to be at least positive, so we know that it has to be positive. Right, and there's actually no limit. X can be as big as you want, because if x is big, so base is big, then we can make a height small enough so that the volume is still 3. So it's going to be from 0 to positive infinity. Alright, so let's type this guy in. Alright, so what we found was, let's see, x squared plus 12 over x, and the domain is from 0 to infinity. Alright, so let's go down and submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like we got these ones correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.